Hi guys, morning to everybody. So here in this video I would like to tell you a few tips how you can learn English. Nowadays some children, those who complete their education of intermediate or degree, of course they are giving importance to their marks. They are scoring good marks, 80%, 75%, 90%, something like that. But when it comes to their communication skills, they are lagging in the sense that they don't have communication skills. They can't even introduce themselves. So here I am to tell you some skills, some tips how you can develop your spoken skills. But because nowadays if you can speak English well, you have lot of opportunities. If you can't speak English well, if you can't understand English well, if you can't write English well, then your opportunities are very less. అంటే నీకు అవకాశాలు చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. So here I am with some tips. The first tip is when you want to be a good speaker, first you should be a good listener. అంటే నువ్వు మంచిగా మాట్లాడాలి అనుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు మంచి శ్రోతగా ఉండాలి, అంటే వినాలి. When you are listening to some speaker, any English speaker, first you try to understand their spoken skills, the way how they are speaking, where they are pronouncing the words, how they are pronouncing the words, where they are giving stress, intonation, all these things. Of course it's not so important for following stress and intonation for Indians. Why? Because Indian English is different from other English. Okay, this is not the topic now. So first thing is you should be a good listener. అంటే నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే మంచి లిసనర్గా ఉన్నావో ఎదుటివాడు మాట్లాడేది నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. మాట్లాడింది అర్థమైన తర్వాత నువ్వు అర్థం చేసుకుని, ఓ ఈ సందర్భంలో ఎలా మాట్లాడాడు, ఇన్ దిస్ సిచ్యువేషన్ హీ హ్యాస్ స్పోకెన్ లైక్ దట్, ఇన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ హీ హ్యాస్ స్పోకెన్ లైక్ దట్. సో వెన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ మై లైఫ్, ఐ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ లైక్ దట్. యూ డిసైడ్ లైక్ దట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ బి ఏ గుడ్ లిసనర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఐ కెన్ గివ్ యూ. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ follow news channels, English news channels. Like we have some BBC channels, or else we have some English channels like CNBC 18, something like that. So in these channels sometimes they conduct some debates, maybe about political issues, maybe about some many international issues or national issues. ఈ issues మీద sometimes they conduct some debates. And English channels, తెలుగు ఛానల్స్ కాదు. When they conduct debates, you observe them how they are speaking about the topic. You just listen to them carefully. What is the vocabulary they are using? What is the tense they are using? How they are talking? How fearlessly they are talking? This is the second tip I can give you. Watch the news channels. When you watch the news channels in English, then your listening skills will be developed. Automatically you will get some confidence. This is the second tip. First tip is you should be a good listener. Second tip is watch the news channels. Third tip number 3 is you should not have fear and shy and hesitation. Fear, భయం. సార్ నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడడం రాదు సార్, తెలుగు మీడియం నుంచి వచ్చాను సార్, నేను మొత్తం టోటల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ మొత్తం తెలుగులోనే జరిగింది, నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడే భయం. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఐ టూ కంప్లీటెడ్ మై ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇన్ తెలుగు మీడియం ఓన్లీ, బట్ యూ కెన్ సీ మై ఫ్లూయెన్సీ. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ టాకింగ్ గ్రేట్ అబౌట్ మై సెల్ఫ్, నేనేదో బాగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కాదు, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ మై బెస్ట్ టు గివ్ యూ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ వాట్ ఐ నో. ఓకే, సో హియర్ వెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు బీ ఏ గుడ్ స్పీకర్, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఫియర్. ఎవరో ఏదో అనుకుంటారు, నేను మాట్లాడేది కరెక్టా కాదా, వెదర్ ఐఎమ్ స్పీకింగ్ గుడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ నాట్, తప్పు అయితే మళ్ళీ ఎవరైనా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. దీస్ థింగ్స్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ థింక్ అబౌట్. ఇటువంటి విషయాల గురించి అసలు ఆలోచించకూడదు. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ షై, సిగ్గు. వై? బికాజ్ సిన్స్ వీఆర్ తెలుగు స్పీకర్స్, సిన్స్ అవర్ మదర్ టంగ్ ఈజ్ తెలుగు, definitely we feel shy in the beginning stage. So in the beginning stage, if you are able to avoid that shyness, then automatically you can be a good speaker. The first thing you should remove fear. Second thing is you should not have shy. Third thing is hesitation. Hesitation means doubtfulness. అంటే డౌట్గా ఉండు, నేను మాట్లాడేది కరెక్టా కాదా, am I speaking in a correct way? Is my English good? Is my pronunciation good? Is my body language good? These doubts definitely will arise in your mind when you're about to speak something to the person. Okay, so these three things you should not have. First one is fear, second one is shy, and third one is hesitation. I hope you understood. Okay, this is the third tip I can give you. First thing is you should be a good listener. Second thing is you should listen to the news. You should watch the news channels. And third thing is you should avoid three feelings, emotions: fear towards English, shy towards English, and hesitation towards English. And the fourth thing is, don't think about other people's subject. When you're talking to somebody, for example, if that listener is having more knowledge than you, don't think about that. He has more knowledge. If I speak, he will correct my mistakes. He will find out my mistakes. He will laugh at my mistakes. Then, మాట్లాడేదాన్ని బట్టి నవ్వుతాడు. These feelings should not have. That's why I'm telling you, fearlessly, shylessly, without hesitation, you just continue your speaking. When you are able to continue your speaking in that way, automatically at one stage you will know your mistakes. Okay? There will be no need for others to correct your mistakes. At some stage you will correct your mistakes. అంటే ఒక స్టేజ్కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నీ మిస్టేక్స్ ఏంటి అనేది నీకే తెలుస్తుంది. For example, take myself. I started my teaching career at the age of 21. At that time, I was just like a frog in the well. Why? Because I felt that only I know English better, something like that. But when I observed my seniors, then I came to know that I know nothing. But I didn't stop. I just continued. I have taken the suggestions of my seniors as to how to make this sentence, what is this, what is that. And then I got clarity regarding all those things. Now I am in this stage by the God's grace. So, if you follow these tips, automatically, okay, definitely you will be a successful speaker in English. Okay, next, fifth tip. Fifth tip is if it is possible, try to follow English newspaper, but not Telugu newspaper. Since you are in the Telugu region, you get Telugu newspapers like Sakshi, Inadu, something like Andhra Jyoti, something like that. But try to follow English newspapers daily. Even in your mobiles also, we have English newspaper apps. Hindu app is there, Deccan Chronicle app is there, like that the Swans app is there. So whenever there is a possibility, whenever there is a chance, whenever there is a opportunity, try to read the English newspapers or English articles or English anything else. Everything should be in English. Okay? Then it gives you some vocabulary. అంటే కొత్త పదాలు తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. కొత్త పదాలు మనం డిక్షనరీ చూసి నేర్చుకోవడం అంటే కుదరదు. Whatever the words we have seen in the newspaper, what we have listened in the news, what we have watched in the news channel, those words will be fixed. Why? Because as per psychology, the thing which we have watched, you can remember 80%. The thing which you have listened, you can remember 50%. So watching and listening, that is importance of watching and listening. I hope you understood what I am saying. అంటే చూసినది విన్నది ఎక్కువ గుర్తుంటుంది మనకి చదివిన దానికన్నా. So newspaper reading gives you some knowledge. That's why I have given it in 5th place in my tips. I hope I am clear. So these 5 tips, if you follow, your spoken skills will be developed. Then you can speak like a native speaker of English, like an American, like a British. Okay? I hope this video is very clear to you all. Follow these tips and correct your English. Okay? Thank you.